Hello, I'm Mortgage Mark, and this video covers the basic information on filing for a homestead exemption in the great state of Texas. Having a homestead exemption reduces the amount of annual property taxes that you pay, and that's a good thing. How much you ask? Well, here's an example. Using the Dallas Central Appraisal District's property tax estimator, that's a mouthful, but if you use that instrument, the annual savings for a $250,000 home was nearly $1,000. That's $986 if you want to get real exact. And that's awesome. And the best part is, it's free. You don't need to pay attention to that junk mail receipt saying pay me 50, 60 bucks to file it. You can do it on your own. And I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? The catch is that it's not automatic. You actually have to do some paperwork, a whopping 1 or 2 pages. So if you find that extra 10 minutes to save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, then do it. That little lizard says you should. And saving that amount of money and that little amount of time is huge. And if it's not worth your time to do that, let me know what industry you're in. I'm clearly in the wrong business. So here's what you need to know. You must take action to file this exemption sometime between January and April in the year after you close. In Texas, you need to have owned and occupied the home by the stroke of midnight on December 31. So when the ball is dropping in New York, you better live there to become eligible for that following year. The actual homestead exemption can be accessed through your county's website, and because we love you so much, we've gone ahead and put down the links below for the counties here in North Texas. And another neato part about the homestead exemption, that once you filed it, you're done. And on top of that, it also limits the amount of tax increase that you'll experience year over year. Now that is assuming you haven't had any improvements to the house. If you built on a second story, they're going to give a new value. But if you haven't and all things normal, the cap is a 10% year over year max increase. And that may sound like something that's not real, but in the recent years here in North Texas, with as hot as the market's been, we've experienced double-digit appreciation. And so that 10% cap has put a limit on what you will pay year over year. So again, that's awesome. You need to do this. There are other exemptions that you can apply for when you own a primary home. The 2 other most common ones are the over 65 and disabled persons exemption. But unlike the homestead exemption, those can be added at any time throughout the year. Added and removed, I should say, anytime throughout the year. So for more information on that, check with your counties. They'll tell you what to do and what you need to know. But again, just know that they're there. And ultimately, what you need to do is also check out our page on how to actually challenge your property value. That has a direct impact as well on your taxes, so it can impact how much you save on your property taxes. At the end of the day, if you have any questions, you're always welcome to call us, email us, text us, whatever you want to do. We sincerely appreciate your time, and thank you for watching.